Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Now you notice the title of this video is Stop Asking Your Government to Do Anything, or for that matter, fix anything. Excuse me. Now, I am a Canadian. Many people think that I'm from the United States, but no, I'm not. I'm a Canadian born and raised. And to be very honest, I'm a very proud Canadian. I'm proud of my country. I'm proud of my heritage. I'm ashamed of my government, and I have been so for quite a while now, especially the last 4 years. But all of my life, I have heard people say the words, the government should do something about this. No, boys and girls, the people should do something about this. And I know that this happens in the United States as well because I talk to a lot of Americans about it. So we have privacy issues today. And as an example here, we are looking at one of the faults. This is Parliament in Ottawa. This is the Federal Parliament building. It's a beautiful building. Actually, absolutely stunning inside. But we are selling our souls to the devil to try to do something right. Now, if that doesn't hit you as being kind of odd, it should. You have to get through your head today in a world of overload of information that big government is just a bad idea. When government becomes too big, it becomes unruly and uncontrollable. And what went on in the United States in the early 2000s that cost us all the privacy we have lost today, and we have lost it all. We really have no privacy. It's gone. And people will turn around and say, well, you should do something about Facebook doing what they're doing. You don't really believe that that is an option, do you? You haven't yet figured out that the government's getting a lot of their information on you from Facebook, from Google. Google wrote the software for the NSA that helps them to search the index databases they have on everybody in the world. Right? It makes absolutely no sense to think that way. Now, we have another problem that is within this, and this problem is escalating. I know many people in the United States do not like Donald Trump, and they're more than entitled to think that way. I do not suffer from anything he does over there. I do not benefit from anything he does over there, really. However, the economy in the United States, while not great, is reasonably stable from what I've seen. Now in Canada, we went and we elected a drama teacher, a part-time drama teacher, to be Prime Minister of Canada. And he has committed several violations against the Criminal Code of Canada and hasn't even been slapped on the wrist for it. But he has nice hair. And we become so involved in the ideology that surrounds politics that we lose sight of what is actually important. Now, as an example, with all the things that dear Justin Trudeau has done, any self-respecting politician, and there were only two in the Liberal Party, would stand up, walk across the floor of Parliament, and sit as an independent and put the government out of business. But see, that doesn't happen. Yet you think that somehow, some way, they're going to fix the problem that they created. Well, the first thing they would have to do is admit to it. The amount of surveillance that goes on it's almost perfect. And they're working at ways to make it even better. If the government of Canada had their way, as soon as you stepped on the property there would be cameras that would be doing facial recognition to see that you're there. Now, they will give you the smokescreen that this is to prevent terrorism. In the West, in the Western cultures, there is not that much terrorism as compared to in the Middle East. Because you've got to also understand there is an issue with locale as well. These terrorist organizations and cells do not have a lot of money by which to do a lot of the things that they would probably very much like to do. That does not mean that it is not a concern, but that means that, as an example, the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, or RCMP as we more likely know them, should just do their jobs. What a concept, rather than sift through and spy on everyone in the country, hoping to find something of value. And now you see there's another caveat within this hoping to find something of value. And that is, when you have all of this power at your disposal, power that is unconstitutional, unlawful, and definitely unwanted, you become more responsible for results. Therefore, people end up becoming targeted who are not a problem. And this is why this is just so damned critical, that you get off your ass and start fixing the problem. And you're not going to go to this rather nice building here. You're not going to go to Ottawa and fix the problem. It's too late. Canada has lost control of all of its governments at this point in time. And it will take, if movements were done today to fix that, it would take 3 generations to fix. It's much easier to destroy something than it is to fix something. How long do you think that it took to build that building there? I honestly don't know. I know it was quite an endeavor. You can knock it down in minutes. Right? Maybe a day's worth of work to prepare the building, and you could implode it, just like they did when they imploded the 3 towers that they imploded in 9/11. You have to stop this idea that you need the government to do anything but what they were originally mandated for. The government needs to be out of your business, they need to be out of my business, and they need to focus on what it is they're supposed to do. But right now, it's all about power, all about control, and unfortunately, we do have a long road to recovery. But the thing you can do to help is make your world safe and secure. Take back your privacy as much as is possible and get everyone you know to do the same. Then we have a movement that can truly shake the foundation of the world in the right way. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the content with your friends, and check out our Patreon account. Donations to this movement will be rewarded and rewarded even more over time as we work to make things better. There's a lot that needs to be done. There's a lot of people that need to be reached, and only with your help can we do it. So thank you very much, and have yourself a fantastic day. Bye for now.